We're here with another King PD Says video. Today, I am guessing NHL goal horns. An Ange in the corner. So, here we go. Goal horn number 1. Dad's going to set this one up.
If I were him, I'd bundle my home and auto and pick up the real victory. Savings.
Flames! Don't get me that one. Stars. Wow, what are those faces over there? What is those faces?
I'm impressed.
Okay. Kings? The LA Kings. Let's see here. Oh, that's Montreal. That's a different goal horn from USA goal horns. Oh, Rangers. Hey, what are you giving me that face for?
I don't know any of them.
Kraken? I thought it was Vancouver, but then it got in my eye.
Last one.
That is the Utah Mammoths. Like and subscribe to the video. We want to get 90 by the end of April into May. And please send a comment down below. It's Tim Wadley's cameraman's birthday. We'll head down to Raleigh for the spring fling. Is number 41 for Tim Wadley. So please send a happy birthday comment down below. And peace out.